Hello traders, and welcome to this new daily market update. I hope that you are having a wonderful week and also a profitable week. And my name is Mehdi, and I am a day trader. Today's trading day was not what I was expecting, so I had a very hard time. But like things are what they are, and what really what really made me gave me a hard time is how price was moving down. But I knew that because I trade the US markets, and also I trade the DAX. But the thing is, the move down that we had was in fact just a correction, and I knew it was a correction. But in trading, knowing the direction is not the most important thing. The most important thing is to be able to have the right timing. But anyways, some days you are not in shape, and you might have some problems in your life, and you might have some issues. So when you are trading, these things, these day to day, problems that you usually have in your life are impacting the way you trade. And this is what this is what happened to me today. So anyways, I always I always try to finish my day break even, because I'm scalping. So I just take small positions and I try to exit as fast as possible. So I was able to exit my positions, even though I was wrong in the direction and in timing, because I was buying too early. So I was buying too early, and I couldn't find the right trade until late in the session, which is not something I like to do, because I like to spend 15 minutes to 30 minutes trading, maximum 30 minutes per day, and then I'm done with it. But every time I have to trade more, especially when I'm not when I'm not in shape, or when I'm not really focused on what I'm doing. It's usually not a good sign, and usually what happens next is that I will have some losses, and I will have to recover my losses, etc. So anyways, everything to say that trading is not just about being really good in anticipating the moves. Is also it has to do with your mental spirit. So if you are worried about things, if you are sick, if you have some personal problems, try not to trade. Because I did it, because I have some experience, and I was able to finish almost, I would say, with a small loss, but almost with break even. I was able to break even, but I wasn't able to break even really. So I had a small loss. It doesn't matter. I didn't want to take another position, even though I know where I should buy or sell, but it doesn't matter. Anyways, everything to say that we have tomorrow, and we have more and more days to be able to trade, and that's it. So I just want to do a recap on what I've said about the GBPUSD pair. And as you can see, the precision is staggering. I didn't touch anything from last time. Last time I was showing you the purple lines, as you can see. So the purple lines, look at how price didn't break this purple channel from the from the upside. And since it didn't do that, it just continued down. So, and look what I have drawn. What did I draw? Please tell me. I've drawn a flag. And after the flag, what do you have? I said, after the flag, sell. If you see a flag, and if you see price breaking down the flag, sell, and this is what you got. Okay, so this was the first you know, like this was the one I did before. Okay, because I did another one saying that you should wait until price, you know, like tags this low. Okay, and what did we have? We have price tagging this low. Okay, but right now you have to wait until you have a confirmation. At least you have, you know, like a double, because it can still go, you know, like lower, because we are at the middle, or in the middle of, you know, like the 1.618 and the 2.618. Okay, so price might even, you know, like go tag, you know, like the 2.618 before, you know, like turning back. So you have to wait. You have no other choice than to wait. But what we have here, we have a wedge which is usually, you know, like this is a reversal. This looks like a reversal, you know, like this is a reversal, I mean reversal shape. Okay, and we might have, you know, like a reversal after that, but it doesn't look like 100%, you know, like I mean, it doesn't look like 100% a wedge, so we might have a continuation. So you have to wait until, you know, like we break up the above the 1.618. Okay, so we have a correction, maybe we have a first impulse, we have a second one, and then we close above it, and then you can buy. At least you can buy with confidence, you know, like, because right now you can't do it, because price can just go and tag this low. Okay, and tag this, you know, like second level of Fibonacci. Okay, so that's it. So if you like the video, share this video and subscribe to this channel. This is just a new channel, but we're producing, you know, like 5 videos per day, and we're doing it daily, and we are trying to share, you know, like the best possible technical analysis on YouTube and on everywhere else.